Now I'm talking about hydroponics. Hydroponics is the science of growing plant without the use of soil, but by use of an inert medium such as gravel, sand, peat, vermiculture, pubic or sawdust, to which a nutrient solution is added containing all the essential elements needed by the plant for its normal growth and development. तो हाइड्रोपोनिक्स एक सॉइल लेस टेक्निक है जिसमें कि प्लांट को ग्रो किया जाता है न्यूट्रिएंट सॉल्यूशन में। इसमें सॉइल के अलावा हम कुछ और भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जैसे न्यूट्रिएंट सॉल्यूशन, ग्रेवल, सैंड, पीट, वर्मी कल्चर। और न्यूट्रिएंट सॉल्यूशन में सारे इसेंशियल एलिमेंट डाल दिए जाते हैं जो प्लांट की ग्रोथ के लिए और डेवलपमेंट के लिए ज़रूरी हैं। तो हाइड्रोपोनिक्स टेक्निक जो है उसी के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं। Now I'm talking about method to study the mineral requirement of plant. Julius von Sack 1860 demonstrated that plant could be grown to maturity in a defined nutrient solution in the complete absence of soil. The technique of growing plant with their root immersed in a nutrient medium without any soil is known as hydroponics. In 1860, Julian von Sack, a prominent German botanist, demonstrated for the first time that plant could be grown to maturity in a defined nutrient solution in complete absence of soil. This technique of growing plant in a nutrient solution is known as hydroponics. Hydroponics term coined by William F. Gregic of the University of California in the late 1920s. It is the science of growing plant without the use of soil but by use of an inert medium such as gravel, sand, peat, vermiculture, pubic or sawdust to which a nutrient solution is added containing all essential elements needed by plant for its normal growth and development. Thus, instead of the plant searching the soil for minerals, it draws them directly from the water, peat or sawdust. It is often called soil-less culture, while water culture alone is true hydroponic. The term hydroponics is used to describe the way in which plant can be raised without soil. Until 1936, raising plant in nutrient solution and in water with a practical restricted to laboratories where it was used to facilitate the study of plant growth and root development. But nowadays the technique is used commercially to grow vegetable including root crops such as beets, radish and carrot, tomato, seedless cucumber, lettuce, potato and cereal crops, fruit, ornamental and flowers. It must be emphasized that the nutrient solution must be adequately aerated to obtain the optimum growth. During the late 1940s, Robert B. and Alice P. Withrow, working at Purdue University, developed a more practical hydroponics method. They used inert gravel as a rooting medium by alternatively flooding and draining the gravel in a container. Plant received maximum amount of both nutrient solution and air to the root. This method later became known as the gravel method of hydroponics, sometimes also known as nutriculture. Hydroponic did not reach India until 1946. In the summer of that year, the first most pressing problem encountered in hydroponics was the constant leaching of detrimental element in the solution from concrete, rooting media and other minerals. However, with the advent of fiberglass and plastic, this problem was virtually eliminated and the technique of hydroponic took a long leap forward. Currently, plants are being grown by using the technique of soilless culture on space flight. There are several excellent reasons for replacing soil with a sterile medium. Hydroponics do not require soil and only about 1/25 of water required for conventional farming is needed. Soil-borne pests and disease are eliminated, so are weeds. Raising plant in a non-soil medium allowed to grow more plant in a small area. Food crop mature more rapidly and give greater yield. Water and fertilizer are conserved as they be reused. In addition, hydroponics allow to extend greater control over plant to ensure more uniform result. produced from hydroponics has much longer shelf life or keeping qualities. In normal farming, crop have to be rotated to avoid the fall of nutrient level of soil below its established minimums. In soil culture, there is no need to rotate crop. In future, it is hoped that hydroponics will play an important role in growing plants, seedling for restoration or